Rishita. I am studying in first standard. My school name is St. Philomena's Group of Institutions, Surya City branch.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Kitanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Impal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Aizawl; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Gangtok; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; West Bengal, Kolkata.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga; Godavari, Indus; Kaveri, Krishna; Mahanadi, Narmada; Periyar, Tamiravarani; Vaigai, Yamuna.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu; Kathakali, Kerala; Kathak, Uttar Pradesh; Manipuri, Manipur; Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh; Odissi, Odisha; Satriya, Assam; Matti dance, Madhya Pradesh; Dandiya, Gujarat; Yakshagana, Karnataka.
National festivals.
National festivals: January 26, Republic Day; August 15, Independence Day; September 5, Teachers Day; October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti; November 14, Children's Day.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India: Gomateshwara statue in Karnataka; Taj Mahal in Delhi; Hampi temple in Karnataka; Kolar Sun temple in Odisha; Nalanda University in Bihar; Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh; Golden temple in Punjab.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars; Jupiter, Saturn; Uranus, Neptune.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
10 Mukhya Upanishad.
10 Mukhya Upanishad: Ishavyasha Upanishad; Kena Upanishad; Katha Upanishad; Prashna Upanishad; Mundaka Upanishad; Mandukya Upanishad; Aitarya Upanishad; Daitarya Upanishad; Chandogya Upanishad; Brihadaranyaka Upanishad.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
18 Puranas.
18 Puranas: Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Purma Purana, Garuda Purana, Agni Purana, Vamana Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Skanda Purana, Shiva Purana, Brahmanda Purana, Markandeya Purana, Linga Purana, Vayu Purana, Narada Purana, Skanda Purana, Shiva Purana, Padma Purana.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Atlantica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka.
Chief Minister Ministers of Karnataka, Chengal Rayareddy, Kengal Hanumanthayya, Kadidar Manjappa, S.T.J. Lingappa, B.D. Jetti, N. Sanjeeva Reddy, B.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka,
Chief Ministers of Karnataka, Chengal Rayareddy, Kengal Hanumanthayya, Kadidar Manjappa, S.T.J. Lingappa, B.D. Jetti, S.R. Kanti, Virendra Patil, V. Devarajas, R. Gundura, Ramakrishna Hegade, S.R. Bommai, S. Bangarappa, M. Veerappa Moili, H.D. Devegowda, Indar Kumar Gujarat.
Neighboring countries of India,
Neighboring countries of India, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
districts in Karnataka,
Districts in Karnataka,
Bagalkot,
Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajnagara, Chikkaballapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodaga, Kolar, Koppala, Manya, Mysore, Ramnagara, Shivamogga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Vijayanagara, Yadgiri.
5 different phases of the moon,
5 different phases of the moon: full moon, gibbous moon, crescent moon, half moon, new moon.
genders,
Genders:
male,
female,
boy,
girl,
brother,
sister,
father,
mother,
grandfather,
grandmother,
son,
madam,
son,
doctor,
daddy,
mummy,
papa,
mama,
uncle,
aunt,
gentleman,
lady,
husband,
wife,
man,
woman,
nephew,
niece,
sir,
madam,
bull,
cow,
cock,
hen,
dog,
bitch,
lion,
lioness,
tiger,
tigress,
peacock.
peahen.
Women freedom fighters of India,
Women freedom fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Safari, Sujeta Tripathi, Kittur Rani Channamma, Keladi Channamma, Onake Obava, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai.
Indian festivals,
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
official languages of India,
Official languages of India: Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Grogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
religions in India,
Religions in India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Indian monuments,
Indian monuments: Agra Fort, Ajanta Caves, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gol Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillar, Jama Masjid, Khajuraho Temple, Lake Palace, Mysore Palace, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Taj Mahal.
Hindu lunarments,
Hindu lunarments: ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ವದಪ್ರತ, ಆಶ್ವೀಜ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣ.
names of Rutus,
Names of Rutus: ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಶರದ್ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು.
main agricultural products,
Main agricultural products: rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, milk.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoghavasha, Madakari Nayaka, Kittur Rani Chennamma, Keladi Chennamma, Onake Obava, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai.
International airport in India.
International airport in India: Indira Gandhi Airport in New Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport in Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport in Mumbai, Chennai Airport in Chennai, Kempegowda Airport in Bangalore.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights against exploitation, rights to freedom of religions, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitutional remedies.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Parts of speech.
Parts of speech: there are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Indian dynastics.
Indian dynastics: Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynastics, Vaisala dynastics, Maurya dynastics, Pallava dynastics, Gupta dynastics, Rashtrakuta dynastics, Mughal dynastics, Vijayanagara dynastics, Vardhan dynastics.
9 union territories.
9 union territories: New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dagar Nagar Haveli, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir.
Major water borders.
Major water borders: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean.
National symbols. Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National anthem.
Janagana Mana.
National flower.
Lotus.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National flag colors.
Saffron, white and green.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India:
Jawaharlal.
Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, V.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Inder Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Proverbs.
Proverbs: work is worship, honesty is the best policy, where there is a way, there is a way, all that glitters is not gold, face is the index of mind, a rolling stone gathers no marks, and idle mind is a devil worship. There is no shortcut to hard work.
Opposite words.
Opposite words:
In.
out,
Up.
down,
From.
to,
On.
off,
Top.
bottom,
Over.
under,
After.
before,
Inside.
outside,
Bad.
good,
Sad.
happy,
Sweet.
sour,
Black.
white,
Clean.
dirty,
Singular.
plural,
Elder. Younger.
anger,
Elder.
anger,
Morning.
evening,
Enter.
exit,
Everyone.
no one. Thank you.